everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 29th to the 2nd of April 2021 on Monday. Nomsa confront Sonto about Jomo's death. Mazet gets some exciting news about her matric classes on Tuesday. Sonto and Mazet struggle to stay one step ahead of Nomsa in her search for the truth. The Dlamini's are all reeling as they try to come to terms with Tati's secret on Wednesday. There is no peace in the Dlamini household as fight ensue between the couple with Tati as a third wheel. Pretty's involvement with Nomsa and Jomo is starting to cost Sonto on Thursday. Langa and Melusi continue to prove that blood indeed does not lie much to Tati's torment. Nomsa remain a mystery and continue to gain a different reaction from the Malefe clan on Friday. Tati and Glady square off. Despite Tati's effort to keep them apart, Melusi and Langa continue to bond. Nomsa hits a dead end. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.